force. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, welcome. For my returning subscribers, hey fam, welcome back for yet another video. I hope all is well with you guys. So for this video, I am just going to be discussing what I believe are the makeup essentials for when you're starting to do your makeup for the very first time, or if you're just new to makeup and you want to know what are the crucial things that you need to have in your makeup kit. So I want to start off by saying this is going to vary from person to person. Some people know right out the gate that they want to do like very dramatic makeup looks, or they want to go for that like Insta baddie, UK baddie type beat. So they're gonna be doing a lot more things when it comes to their makeup than someone who is just completely new and just want to learn how to do makeup and do a simple like everyday makeup look. So this is going to be geared towards the person who's like very new and they just want to know what are the absolute most important things that they need to have in their kit. So the first thing I would say, you want to have a good moisturizer, which that to some people might seem really weird, like moisturizer in a makeup kit, and that's the first thing. But yes, when you're doing your makeup, you want to start off with a really good base. So having your skin prepped before you put on any makeup on it is extremely important. So you want to make sure your skin is properly moisturized before you start doing anything else. So having a good moisturizer that is appropriate for your skin tone, I mean not skin tone, for your skin type really, is very important. Then you need a primer. I've said in other videos, I don't always use primer, and I think primers are really good to use because it does make a difference. And the fact that I've been using primer more and more recently, I have seen the difference that it does make in applying my makeup and giving me more a flawless finish. So having a good primer is also very important. This is also going to be dependent on your skin type, because if you have oily or dry skin, I would recommend you using a different type of primer. If you are oily and have oily skin, I would pick a primer that is mattifying, or it helps to fill your pores and get rid of some of those oils that your skin naturally produces. If you have dry skin, on the other hand, you want to use a more hydrating primer. So now that we have our skin nice and prepped with our moisturizer and primer, the next thing is having a good foundation and concealer. And I made 2 videos that discuss how to go about picking your proper foundation and figuring out your undertones to help with making sure you are picking the right foundation. So go back and check the first 2 videos in this series to help you with trying to navigate how to pick your correct foundation and concealer, because those go hand in hand. Next, I would say if you are someone who is going to be doing a lot of eye makeup looks, you want to have some eyeshadow palettes, and this can be very up to your personal choices. I would recommend having one that have more natural nude looking colors, so a lot of brown tones and golds, you know, so very like neutral and natural looking. And then you might want to get one palette that also have some color in there that you are comfortable wearing and using. For me, I have a lot of different palettes with different colors just because I love a colorful makeup look, but that is really going to be dependent on you as an individual, how comfortable you are using a lot of colors as you're starting out. Also, you want to make sure if you fill in your eyebrows, I personally don't really fill in my eyebrows, but if you are someone who's going to be filling in your eyebrows, you want to make sure that you have a good eyebrow pencil to fill in your brows with. And then next, just like mascara, which is very obvious, you're going to use it for your lashes. Or if you wear lashes, you want to get like a couple pairs of lashes. There are definitely so many places that you can buy lashes from and so many different brands. I would recommend just getting a couple drugstore ones and playing around with those and see what kind of eyelashes you like to wear, because some people like the really dramatic ones, some people go for more natural looking ones. But personally, when I started out, I wasn't wearing lashes. It took me a while to build up to lashes. You also want to get a eyeliner. So eyeliner, I recommend the e.l.f. eyeliner. That is definitely one of my favorite eyeliners. But once again, you can definitely play around and buy a more expensive one if you want, or you can go and buy a drugstore one like the e.l.f. one, which I personally love and use all the time. And just for tools for like to do your makeup, you can really get a cheap set of brushes off of Amazon for less than probably $100, probably less than even $50, and start out with those. I'm not going to tell you guys to go out there and buy the most expensive set of brushes, because I don't think that the brushes that you're using is going to make a huge difference. Does it make a difference? Yes, it does. I will not say there isn't a difference between cheaper brushes and more expensive high-end brushes. There is a difference, but the difference isn't so great that your makeup is going to look horrible if you're using cheaper brushes. It's really in the technique of how you do your makeup that you can see the difference. Technique is everything when it comes to makeup. The tools and the products that you're using is very secondary to your technique. So keep that in mind when you are starting out. Do not beat yourself up if you cannot afford the most expensive products. I will never tell anyone to go break their back buying products that is super expensive. Buy what you are able to afford. So those are just the quick things and what I believe are the essentials when it comes to starting out. Also, before I forget, lip gloss definitely is something you might want to have, and a nice like natural looking lip pencil as well. So those two. I use an eyebrow pencil as a lip liner, so that's just saying, like, you know, really play around. You can use different items and different products for the purpose that's not intended. Like, I know people who in the past have used like lipstick as a blush, so it really is up to you. There's no right or wrong way to do makeup, in my opinion. Play around with it, have fun, get creative, and I really hope that you guys found this video to be helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. And if you have not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button for me. And if you enjoyed this, give this a thumbs up and leave me a nice comment down below, guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.